Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marustic. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up AC Tunnel VPN in all countries for fast, secure, and stable internet access. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and in case you get any problem, the comment section is open. So first and foremost, open Google Play Store, and then in your Google Play Store, you're going to go where you search from, and then you're going to download our application AC. We're going to download AC Tunnel VPN. Then you will be required to download it, and then after downloading it, open. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, informational, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers' terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Now, allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this application. Join the Telegram channel. Now, before doing anything, the first step right here is to come in the top left corner and then check on those menu icons. Choose online update. Then after, give it some few seconds to update the servers. Until you see message that no update available. Now, this is the most crucial step. You need to be more attentive right here. Go where you see auto select server, and then we're going to be seeing all these servers. We recommend you to choose a server that is your country's location or that is near to your country's location. But if you don't see that server, keep in auto select server. Now, this is the last step. We're going to come where you see Philippines, then check right there, and then look for you come from right here. We're seeing recommended. Come from recommended to all networks, and then choose all networks. Then try to scroll down, look for your country's server. But I recommend you guys to use this fastest server. Type in UDP. Then once you type in UDP, we're going to come to this server, connect on that server, choose it, and then we're going to come where you see this one. But before connecting, turn airplane mode on and then off. After doing that, press the start button, accept the connection request, give it some few seconds to connect. As you see, mine has connected successfully. Now, what if yours fails to connect? What are you going to do? Maybe you skipped the tutorial, then you missed important steps. Make sure that your server are in auto select server. Make sure that you clear the update, clear the cake. If you want it to connect, reconnect again, restart the device. You can also try to, if you are in Uganda, contact us. Your SIM card isn't activated. Come with 20K, we are going to activate your SIM card to KYC. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marustic, and then I sign out.